Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to explain how customizable the start menu is in Windows 10 May 2019 update. So in version 1903 they kind of ramped up even more the customization. Now a lot of these tools are also available on the October and April 2018 if you're still there, but there are a lot of personalization that you can do. So for example, if you look at my start menu right now, it's no tiles, it's empty, no app list, nothing. Of course I can go here and choose the app list and see the apps that are installed that I can use and so on. Now you can change what you want to have in there in the settings. So you go into your settings and there you'll see personalization. On the left side you'll see start. Now look at all of these switches, the on-off switches here, that you can actually choose. So for example, you can actually show the recently opened items and jump lists. This is useful. You know, if you open the same thing, for example, you use Word, you open the same document all the time. Well, this means that when you actually go and choose Word, it's going to actually tell you, oh, do you want to open that document because that's what you opened the last 5 times, for example, or any other program that you open some files in. So you can actually, I like this to be on, which means that I will have in the apps the possibility to open whatever I usually open when I try to open an app. Of course, you can customize show more tiles on start. That means if you like to use the tiles or show the tiles, you can actually see even more tiles if you want on start by turning this on. Show app list and start menu. I always turn this on because I like to have this list of apps always visible in my start menu. And that actually kind of looks more like, you know, regular Windows 7 style list of programs, and that's it. No tiles, no nothing. So here, if I open up, all you see is, well, my list of apps. There's nothing more because I don't have any tiles in here. Then you have, of course, show recently added apps. That can be useful. You install a new program or you update the software. It always shows on the top recently added, what's new that you actually added to your PC. And it's kind of useful because sometimes if you don't remember the name, you got to go through the list and where is that app that I just installed. Recently added will always put it on top for a certain time. You have the show most used apps. That is also kind of nice. So here you see the most used apps that I have: Firefox, VLC, Photos, Google Chrome, File Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. That also can be very useful because if you use the same apps all the time, you don't have to go everywhere. If you don't pin them to the taskbar or the start, at least you have the apps that you use all the time visible here. You have show suggestions occasionally in start. Now that I don't like because it's like kind of an app. It's an ad, sorry. It's like Microsoft trying to push apps to you, and that I always keep off. And finally, use start full screen. If you turn this on, the full screen will be there. So if you have tiles on your start menu, this is going to be really a full screen start menu experience, a little bit like when you have a tablet. And so you'll have all the tiles scattered through all of the screen. If you like to use tiles, it could be a good idea. Or if you have a touch device, yeah, it's also a good idea. But apart from that, I never use the full start screen. And that's pretty much what you have in the customizable side of what apps or not that you could see on your start menu. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.